Hello, this is Benjamin from Visalia Toyota. Today I'll be showing you guys the 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. And what makes this vehicle the TRD Pro, I'll be going over a few different features here. So what we have here is we have the exclusive TRD wheels on this model, along with the Kevlar tires that make this, once again, the TRD Pro model. What also makes this truck extremely unique and different is that it also has the fog lamps, Rigid Industries fog lamps, and that's something that is exclusive to this model here in particular, okay? What we also do have is this front grille piece here, and no other Toyota Tacoma has this, okay? This is exclusive to this truck only, along with the TRD badges there that we have. We have the crawl control feature up here. And what that does is that it allows you to select your terrain, whether you're going on rock, sand, gravel, anything like that. You're able to just dial it in, and it gives you extra traction on those different terrains. Something that's gonna be exclusive to the TRD Pro, and something mechanically that makes this truck different is that the shocks on this truck actually they're Fox brand shocks, okay? And they're located right under there, and you'll be able to see them right down there. That's something that no other Toyota Tacoma has. Beautiful blue color, they call it the Voodoo blue. This is only found on the TRD Pro model, okay? So these are some of the things that make this truck unique and make this truck different, okay? Thank you once again for staying here for our presentation. This is Benjamin from Visalia Toyota. Hope to see you guys soon.